Mono ya tuka Kimbele, mono gibanza Kimbele, mono gibanza Kimbele, mono, mono, mono gibanza mama, wasala Kimbele. Monongi banza Kimbele, enchame ya utuke monwe, engindulu kufata Kimbele, 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 Kimbele. Monongi banza mpangi zaman, gibanza Kimbele, mono, mono. Monongi banza Kimbele, gibanza mama, wasala Kimbele. Monongi banza Kimbele, gibanza nkakayetwe, unjami ya utuke munwe, engindu mkufata Kimbele, Kimbele, Kimbele.
Masanga mabwidi, monongi banza Kimbele, Kimbele, monongi banza Kimbele, Kimbele, monongi banza masanga mabwidi.
Kimbele kama mwana sisi na mama yake Kimbele, 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 oh Kimbele, Kimbele kama ya sisi fanya na yeye, Kimbele kama mwana kata sisi na yeye, Kimbele kama ya sisi fanya na yeye, Kimbele kama Kimbele, oh. Oh, oh, oh,
Kimbele, Kimbele, yeah, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Mono ya tuka Kimbele, mama.
Oh, 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 oh.
Kimbele, Kimbele, Kimbele.
Oh, 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 oh.
Kalanga metuhata saluka mekulamba yotanga ila ya kuzaile suze mvula waswa mahazenza ila kenda ya kumbonege emba isoma yo munzo wajifana yokie ya kuhane jina suze onkanu ya hola teko mona onkanu ya hola teko bonye Esusema oso apanga sumu jakwe 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 Yakalanga mekwiza hamongi mono kaka jame suze Uke wanza ile suze kwiza kupeta hapambwe Kwiza kukamba mambo malosolo wajibonge Omambu akamba mono ikusabisanga yobanzi Omambu akamba mono wasola ya kuntima Omwana wakanozo se wakitoka inongabe Esusema oso apanga sumu jakwe 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 Yabanza ngange ye utoko kigange kwetumba njansoke Esusema oso apanga sumu jakwe Esuse njansoke Esusema oso apanga sumu jakwe
It's still music, I think.
If you want to ace your paper, download Grammarly. Are you? Me? Yeah, you in 3 months. See,
Kiambote. Ngizambote. Kiambote. Luna mavimpi, tata Alain, luna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi, yeyeno, eh?
Yetebe tuna mavimpi, tutondele. Tata David, luna mavimpi, eh?
Luna mavimpi, ingeta, luna mavimpi, yeyeno, eh?
Yetebe tuna mavimpi, tutondele. Can I test you, sister? No, don't worry. I'm going to write it down. Well, Lunama, let me write on private. Lunama Vimpi. Okay, by the way, we are live. I think that's great audience. Ngizambote, welcome. If you are watching, this is Kikongo class for our brothers, English speaking, our brothers in the US. Tutondele, we need to honor our ancestors. That's why we need to at least learn Kikongo, their language. Thank you very much. When I ask, it is greeting, Kiambote, 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 just hello, hello. So when I say Lunama Vimpi, I mean, how are you? Are you well? Lunama Vimpi. This is my question. It is on private, yes. Answer should be Ingeta Nginama Vimpi. Sorry, let's just make it easy. Tunama Vimpi. Tunama Vimpi. Ingeta Tunama Vimpi. Yes, we are well. Yeah, no, and you? What about you? Yeah, no, Yes. Okay. Once again, thank you for your time. It's Sundays, but we need to be there. Someone must do it. Okay, Nengotedo is here. Okay. Full class today. That's good. Kiambote, Nengotediwa. Okay. Think she's coming up. Yes. Okay. I'm just hoping that we are there. Hello, Nengotediwa. Mavimpi.
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi. Yeyenwe.
Yetepe tuna vimpi. Tutondele. Thank you very much. We are going back to. I hope that today will be the last day for Kikai. Sorry, Luvila. Yes. Tutondele. Any question before I start? Questions about Luvila? Nengwa cadence?
No.
No, fine. Okay.
No, not right now.
No, right now. Okay. Time is going. Let me just try to quick, very quick. Let me just say my screen. Tata is going to help us. No, Tata, it's fine. We know this. Yeah, this. I'm just going to explain quickly each slide. This one is Makuku Matatu. Yeah, Makuku means. Can you see the lady on the picture? Yes.
Yes.
What is Makuku Tata Leng? If you can explain to us, please. Tata Leng, you're on mute. You're on mute, Tata.
Sorry, my cuckoo. I don't know. Is it kitchen or
Makuku Matatu.
or
Remember the
something?
number. Tatu free. So, can you see the pan is sitting on something? Free. They're not boulder. Okay. Stones.
Is it sitting on rocks, stones?
Yeah, they're free. They're free. Yes. Can you see that? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the three foundations. Yeah.
Yes. Can you see that? Are you there, Nengotedio? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, you are on the mainland. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes, okay.
You're on the mainland. My mom used to cook like this. Yeah?
Exactly.
So free stones.
The,
Yes.
the traditional way.
Is it clear? Free stones. Yes.
Yes.
The pan sitting on free stones. Then we have firewood. Yes. Okay. This is a kitchen. So Kongo Kingdom. Makuku Matatu Malambila Kongo. Basically, quick explanation. Kongo Kingdom sits on three pillars. I mean, yes, let me put it this way. So we have free names. You need to remember these free names. Yes. All the ancestors that went to US, taken to US, they didn't go. They were taken by force. Taken to the US. They came from one of the three. Yes. either Taku, Nzinga, or Panzu. The name Taku is only Congo people. Taku, Nzinga, Panzu. Totally, I think you were not around last time.
No, I was not.
Oh, sorry, yeah. I did make a correction because I used to say that my Luvila, my Kanda led to one of the 12. No. One of the three, yes? One of the three. Of course, the 12 tribes come from this one of the three.
Oh.
The 12 tribes, they come from one of the three, yes? We have Kangam, Vika, 6 at least here. For Tsaku, we couldn't find from Zinga. We don't want to invent anything. Then we have Nzamba, Pakasa from Panzu. That's is it clear to you?
Yeah. Do you have these slides? Can you share this slide?
Now, 1 minute, you're going to understand it now. We have these 12, yes?
Yeah.
These are the 12, but those 12 tribes, 12 clans, men, the patriarchs, let's call them like this. They come from the free. Either Taku, Nzinga, Panzu. That's all it is. Tatale, can you hear me? Tatale?
You were breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, man. Oh, this, I think it's. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. So if you see, can you see on my here? So I want to speak Portuguese. We have Taku here. Under Taku, we have 6 coming from the 12. The list of 12, we have at least 6 from Taku. I couldn't find from Zinga, but from Panzu, we have Nzamba Pakasa. Yes?
Okay.
These are from the 12. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Basically, this is the origin.
Yes.
I mean, this is the origin. The 12, the famous 12 are here, but they come from this one of the 3. Okay, let's just move quickly because time is gone. Okay. This is you know this. This is just a quick recap. Kanda, Gise, Kikai again. Congo, we are matrilineal. Yes, this is from Modern Science. I mean, DNA, but our ancestors were there before them, you know. They were there, they knew everything. This is exactly what I was saying. When I said that, I used to say, that was my mistake, I used to say that Pans was one of the 12. No, Pans was one of the 3, yes?
One of the 3, yeah.
Of course, you go, let me just put it right. You go from one of the 12 up to one of the 3, yes? That's what I say, Makuku. These are 3 pillars. Panzu, Taku, Nzinga. Please remember those names. Panzu, Taku, Nzinga. Anyone called Panzu is only from Congo Kingdom. So you can go to Gabon, south of Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville, Angola, you will find Panzu. Go to Gabon, you'll find Taku. One kingdom. Okay, anyway. you know how I feel when I'm talking about the ancestors, you know? You can't just, unfortunately, you can't go back. Okay, let me just make it big because we need questions starting here from here. Please remember this, BANA BA VUMU. BANA BA VUMU from the womb. BANA BA NIMA from man's back muscles. BANA BA VUMU. Any question on this one? I need to, because I'm going to display the chart to can ask them some questions.
No questions.
Yes. BANA BA VUMU. VUMU, it is womb. Yes. Meaning that lady. KANDA, basically KANDA. Other word, people would say Kanda, you can say Vumu, we mean Kanda. Okay. Yes. Who is one of Vumu here on that chart? Tata Adi, are you brave?
Yeah. Yeah. One of them will be Ndumba.
Nengo Candace? Is brother correct? Okay, brother,
Yes.
maybe. Sorry? I'm just trying to make it
Wait.
clear. These are two sisters, yeah? It doesn't matter. They may be from same father or not. These are two brothers. These are two brothers. Kimbundu Luvumbu. Ndumba Lulemba. These are sisters. So, my question is related to those down there at the bottom, yes? Not to the top one. These are parents. We're talking about the bottom one.
Okay.
Yes. Then what I do, who is one of Vumu?
I think it's Ndumba and Lulemba.
Sorry, I can't hear you, sir.
Sorry, I think it's Ndumba and Lulemba.
This is the mother, then uncle. We're talking about this box,
Oh, the
the bottom. These are parents,
okay.
yes? These are parents.
So Ndumba's children and Lulemba's children?
Yes. So when we just give the name, when we say who's one of whom? Who's one of whom?
Ruth and Isaac, Mary and Martin.
Bravo, yes. When we say one of whom, we mean Kanda, yes?
Okay.
Sister Candace, are you okay? You know that because last time you were ahead of me. Remember? Here, these are not
So I understand because Ruth and Isaac and Mary and Martin are the mom's sister's children.
Bravo, bravo. These are Kanda. They're from a mom. Here, are they from Kanda? These?
No.
Isabel. Are they from Kanda?
No. Kisse.
No. Yes, are the Kisse. Therefore,
No.
yes. Sorry? I missed that. So they're not from Kanda. Therefore, they are.
Bana.
Again.
Nima.
Yeah, Bana ba Nima.
Bana ba Nima. That's an yes?
Yes.
These are Bana ba Nima. These are Bana ba Vumu. When we say Vumu, we mean Kanda. When we say Nima, we mean from.
It means
Kisse. Yeah, bravo, Kisse. Yeah. Tata Adi, can I ask a question? What is Isabel Kanda? I'm just tricking you. I'm tricking you.
You said what as far as who they belong to?
Kanda, Isabel Kanda.
Isabel Kanda would be on the Kisse side.
Wow, very clever. You're very clever. You don't answer the question, but you know what you understand that. Basically, we only have Kisse for them. Yeah, there's no Kanda there. We don't know.
Right.
Who? I mean, we don't know the Kanda. It's not there. You go Kanda will be moms outside. Yes.
Right.
We don't have it. Don't have it. Questions? Lingua Candace. Yeah. Be clear.
Yes, I'm clear.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, I know how to explain it like totally, but I understand it.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, you understand. Like Vumu is Kanda. Kanda is Vumu. Yes. Hmm? I
Mm-hmm.
mean, all the school grade they used us just when they say Vumu, they mean Kanda. They didn't bother to say Kanda. Vumu is Vumu. So, therefore, these are Bana ba Vumu. Those are Bana ba Nima. I mean, it is there. You can see it. That's Alan. Just this for you.
Mm-hmm.
How do you find define? Can you define the relationship between Isabel and Ruth?
Isabel and Ruth. Uh, so Isabel is will be considered Moana to Ruth.
Well, brother, give me 1 minute. The issue here. I need to. Yeah, you can talk to each other. Captain is the teacher assistant. Go ahead, Tata. I'm coming.
No, that yeah. So because Ruth is from the mom's. I guess it was born from I guess from the mother who carries the kanda. Then Ruth also is a female, so she carries the lineage of the same kanda. So therefore, Isabel, being born from the brother, would be considered Moana to Ruth. I don't know if I
Yeah, I
explained it
agree.
right, but
No, I agree.
hey, I need to mute for 1 second. Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Tata is gone.
Yeah, he just
I
needed
think
to
that
step away for a brief
he
moment.
muted himself.
Oh, okay. No, no worries. Sorry. I'm back.
I,
Man,
I I have a question, even though, well, never mind. It's kind of crazy.
no. Go ahead.
Okay, so since the women have the power, I guess, in Fumu, um, do they dominate the men, or is it, I mean, how are the marriages? Like, yeah, how is the marriage or the relationship? Is it women are just do they play like the male role in a sense, or how does it go?
Tata, question to you. Can you say it again, please, brother? I'm putting Tata on the spot. Sorry, Tata.
It's okay.
Go
I'm
ahead,
sorry. I
Tata.
apologize. What was the question? If you can repeat, please.
Okay, so since the women are considered the infumors, the head of the family structure,
Kanda, yes.
uh, um, do they dominate the men? I mean, like our roles switch to
No, I
where
don't
they
think.
are the dominant one, and the men are playing more subservient. And I don't mean subservient as in, like, um,
You're talking about in everyday society, right?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
No,
Are
it's
the
not
roles
even.
switched?
No, it's not even.
No, not that. When we said woman is in control, we mean in terms of life issues, life decisions. Yes, talking about
Yeah,
wedding, traditional wedding. I don't need to say traditional wedding. This is a wedding. Yes, the way we Congo Kingdom people wedding, children. Yeah, this is the woman. I mean, woman behind woman is her brother, her brothers. Yes. Is it clear that?
Yeah. So
um,
when it comes to like if you think about it, think of it as when you're dealing with like whether it be uh, disputes or just your daily. I would say that the day-to-day life, the man still plays that role. I think this is more of the tradition from a tribal cultural standpoint. So, for example, when there are matters of
Core
um,
issues,
yeah,
yeah, right.
issues, I mean, you have to still have to have a representative, which is going to be a man from either side, right? So if your niece or nephew's getting married, or um, traditionally, I think they're just different roles. So just like you have gender roles, traditional gender roles between man and woman, that still carries true within the this within the community, with the exception that lineage wise, or even just culturally, uh, there is this structure.
Yeah, well done, Tatan. Yeah, let's just
Okay.
see here. Let me just try to use my pointer. Quickly. Yes. Mwakazi. Yes. Sister. Mom's brothers. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mwakazi. That we have two here. We can have. I don't know. As many as you like. I mean, as long as they belong to Kanda, these are Mwakazi. Yes. Of course, they
Mm-hmm.
belong to Kanda. Roof. Very quick as I mean, real life question. I mean, example. Ruth want to marry a boy.
Mm-hmm.
The final word belongs to Ngwaka, not to the dad. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
I need sister to be here. Sister can't decide. You need to find. Is she there? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You know. Yeah.
she's
No,
coming.
no,
She
no
was
worry.
open
No,
the
no, no,
window.
no worry. You know what? That darling. Because yes, sister can. I was talking about woman having power. Ruth. Let's say Ruth want to marry. She has a boyfriend. Want to marry. Her dad has not the final word. The
Yeah,
person that has the final word is
it's the uncle.
Ngwakazi. Why? Let me
Right.
just explain it clearly.
The mother's
Why?
brother.
Yeah, why? Because Kimbungu Luvum are concerned about the boys, I mean, the roof boyfriend Kanda. Are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
They want to know where is the boy from? Roof boyfriend from in terms of Kanda. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Because as you know, everywhere there are Kandas. Historically, we should never. I mean, boys and girls, we don't marry those Kanda. Yes, maybe our great or is something. So the only person I can check that will be uncle. Yes,
Okay.
yes. That's why we said. I mean, the man, Ruth's dad, is not. This is not for him anyway, because he is not from Kanda. Just married to this Kanda, but either Kimbungu Luvumu, they must decide, must check, double check. So that's why we say that the woman has power. Yes. Okay. Question. Otherwise, we need to move to. We're going to move to the last one. I need. I need just give you a preview. Picture yourself. I mean, picture yourself. Have in mind Amazon forest. You have a tribe there.
Mm-hmm.
For I don't know how many generations, 3, 4 generations, people live. They don't move. They're just in the bush, forest. But they have to marry. Yes, boys, yes. Life continues. How did this happen long time ago? So we did marry, yeah. Mwanaguta. Who is Mwanaguta? Mwanaguta. Nengwa tell you who's Mwanaguta on this chart? There are four. Tell me.
Is it Miriam? Miriam for Isabel and John.
Sorry?
Is it Isabel, John,
Yes.
Miriam, and
That's
Not
right.
sure. David, who can you tell me how many? Can you tell they have? There are four. Managuta, Anaguta, plural. Managuta one. Tata David, please. Who are they?
That's Ruth and Isaac and Mary and Martin.
These are not Managuta. Who are Ruth, Mary? I think Tanenga kind of say that. These are Bana Ba.
Are you
Remember?
asking me what's the
Sorry,
question?
sister. You did answer that. If you can just explain again, because we're talking about. My question is, who are Bana Ba Nima on this chart? We have four. Who
Oh,
are they?
Isabel, John, Miriam, and Paul.
Bravo, well done. Yeah, Tata, yes. Tata David.
Hmm.
Yes. Bana Ba Vumu, Tata Allen.
I'm sorry. Say that again.
Who is Mwana Vumu? Singular, Mwana. Bana plural. Bana Ba Vumu, who are there? There are four.
Oh yeah, Ruth, Isaac, Mary, Martin.
Thank you. When we say Mwana Vumu, we mean Kanda. Yes, they're from mom.
Mm-hmm.
So, we are in Amazon forest. Let's say 17th century. No, not just this, even now, this is happening, rare, but still happening. Ruth, Isaac, we marry Miriam. Yes?
Say that again.
So Isaac will marry Miriam.
Yes. Because they are not from the same Kanda. Are you okay? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
You're saying they can?
Oh, yeah. They can. It still happen. Now it's rare, but it used to be like this.
I thought it would be that would be the third. It would be the third generation. No.
Don't think. Sorry to say that. Think Congo. Yeah? Don't think in terms of generation. Think Kanda Kiste, yes.
Okay.
As long as they're not from same Kanda, yes. They don't. They're not sharing. They're not from the same kind of force. They're not from the mother lineage. These are not. Yeah. These are. They have different Kanda. So Isaac will marry Miriam. Martin will marry Isabel. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
You know what they say? The other word they use for that. Let me write down. Vutula menga. I'll put on the private. Vutula menga. Menga is blood. Vutula, give back, take back, bring back. I don't know the translation. The blood. Yes. Because this one, basically, we are on the same. I mean, this is Kanda. This brother, this uncle. Both of them are from the same Kanda. So, but Isaac marrying Isabel, so Isabel going back to the Kanda. Yeah? Are you okay? Yes? Back to the that's Kanda. Yeah? Is it clear? You're not sure. Totally.
I see it. That's not how I understood it, but yeah, it's complicated. So
No, we are in Amazon forest. We are 16th century, 17th century. People are living. Yeah, they have to carry on with life. Yes, young people. Yes, this is how we live. But there were rules. The rule of thumb is don't touch this blood. Yes. Don't touch this. This is sacrosanct. Yeah. Ruth and Martin, no. Mary Isaac, no. Yes? Well, we can cross over.
Right.
We can cross over. Here, no. But Congo people, I mean, Because we are live, there are things I can't say, you know? No. Mm. Okay. Thank you very much. I think this one understood. This is a BANA BA VUMU. When we say VUMU, we mean belly. Womb, we mean KANDA. BANA BA NIMA.
Kinda.
Yeah. This BANA BA NIMA, Isabel. By the way, let me just put this clear. Again, see my box here. Name go kindness. This, see my box? These are brothers,
Yeah.
yes?
Mm-hmm.
Ruth and
Right.
Mary are brothers and sisters. When we cross over, they are not, we can see on this box, these are Tatan came to Tata to them, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Tatan,
Yeah.
your brothers are only from your dad's brothers, yes? These children are your brothers, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. But dad's sisters' children are not your brother or sister. They are Tatan came to you. I think we are done with this, yes?
Yeah.
To turn the keep this in mind now.
There'll be Moana, right, between the two.
Sorry?
Isabel, I'm just naming like John and Isaac, for example. They'll just be Moana.
No, this is Moana. Well, yes, John is Moana too. Wait now. John is Moana to Isaac, yes.
Yeah.
Children, yeah. I mean, wow. Our ancestors were genius. Am I right? No?
Yeah, I
They
see what
were.
you.
Yeah. You use your microscope and find the stuff. No, they did it from their head, no? This is genetics, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can I move to the last slide?
Yes.
These
Yes.
remember this, we're talking about the wedding. Okay. Marriage. Oh. I'm going to give you a case study. This is my own, my mom, maternal uncle, yeah? This is my, okay, we're done with this one. BANA BA VUMU, BANA BA NIMA. BANA BA NIMA, Mana VUMU marrying Mana NIMA. Now we're talking about Kise. Grandchildren, grand, sorry. That was not good. It's better to understand the concept in the language, no? As soon as you translate, it's come corrupt, yeah? As soon as I say grandfather marrying grandchildren, that is Western people, this is different concept. Yes, we are here. Yes. Case study, yeah? This is true. Those names are correct, are real names, yeah? Lulemba, my mom's sister. Ndumba is my mom's sister as well. There's the names, but here we have Nzumba. It is not my mom, my grandmother, maternal grandmother name, but this is her, the position, yes? This is her. This is my mom's maternal. My mom in Guancazi. Let's say in Kongo, yes? Are you okay, yes? This is my mom. Sorry, let me correct. This is my, this is my grandmother. This is my mom. This is Ngwakazi. Is it correct? Right? Yes?
Yeah. Okay. I have a question, but I'll hold it.
Go ahead, yeah.
So from the previous slide where we were talking about what I was saying, third generation, wouldn't, so you have second generation Mbunga, Njumba's son, right, marrying Mayamba, which is third generation.
That only the best thing you can do. We're talking about the Kanda Gise. Not in terms of generation, yes.
Okay.
Because here we are focus on Kanda. As long as people are not from same Kanda, yes,
Okay.
we will not talk about generation. Yeah, are you okay? Huh? Clear? That Audrey, yes?
Yes.
Yes, Sister Candace, yes?
Yes.
We'll put aside the generation. This is West concept. This is not ancestors concept, yes? Certainly, sorry.
No, I'm following. I'm following. I'm following.
Yeah, as long as I mean, Kanda is there, everything orbits around Kanda. Dr. David, question. You are silent.
No, we're all right.
Yeah. Okay, let me know what time is gone. Okay, quickly. Okay, my mom is here. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
My grandmom is there. Okay, put aside my mom's name. Just look at the screen. Zumba and Makiangi are from same Kanda. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So far so good.
Mm-hmm.
Lulemba and Dumba are from same Kanda. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. As long as the lady, same Kanda. Yeah? Mom. This is a boy, same Kanda. Dumba son, same Kanda. Bunga is Zumba's son. Yes. Are you okay, Tatane?
All right, I'm following. I'm following.
Yeah. Okay. What is Mayamba Kanda? Tata Audrey, Mayamba's Kanda.
She is she will go under a Kangi lineage.
Yeah, I'm asking a specific question. Kanda, please, go well down, please. The Kanda
Oh
is
wait,
there.
so
Everything is
she
there.
is wait, she's Bunga's
No,
kind of
don't worry
confusing.
about.
I know what I get it. I'm just trying to put it into words.
Let me just ask Sister Kanda. She knows, I'm sure. What is Mayamba Kanda?
Let's see.
Because she's connected to.
Is there bottom left?
It says Mafulu's Kanda.
Mafuda's Kanda, yeah?
I'm not sure because she's Mafulu's daughter.
Mafuta's daughter, yes?
Yeah, it says it right there. Is that in orange, right? Kisembuyala.
Yeah, Kinsembo Yalanganga. Mafuta's Kanda is this one. Yes? Her daughter's Kanda, yes? Lady, same Kanda. Lady.
Futu's daughter.
Because Mayamba is following her mother's Kanda.
Yeah. Sister Kanda, okay, yeah, you knew that, I'm sure you know that. I'm just
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one because I'm not sure who her mother is. It's not clear to me.
Mayamba's mother is here, Mafuta. Mafuta's Kanda is this one. Kinsembo Yalanganga.
Okay, so she wouldn't.
So Mafuta
she'll be under
is her mother.
Yes, Mayamba's Mafuta. Mafuta is Mayamba's mother.
Okay.
So she wouldn't be she wouldn't be in the in Zuma or on Kanda. Her Kanda is Mafuta.
Well done, yes. Yeah, Sister Candace, yes.
Okay, yeah, I get it because Mafuta is her mother, so that's her Kanda.
Yeah, as long as mom like this, like here, Zumba, Ndumba, daughter Lulemba, Lulemba daughter Ndumba, all of them are of same Kanda, yes? Mm. All the girls, yes? Mom,
Right.
no, yeah, mom,
Yeah.
yeah. So, that over to you now.
No, I got it. I got it.
What, okay, let's move to Nengwa Tediwa. You're quiet. What is Mayamba Kikai?
Mayamba Kikai. Isn't that
Mm.
Kilung?
Well done. Look at that. That's David, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Nengwa Kanda, did you know that? Mayamba Kikai, remember Kikai is dad's kisse, yes?
And mom's kiss.
Mom's kisse. Mom's kisse, mom's kisse, yes. Kisse, mama futa kisse is this one, which is Kinlung, yes? Is it clear? Tata David.
Mm-hmm.
Sister
Right.
Candace.
Both Makiang and Nzumba are from Kinungu.
Yes. Yes. We're talking about Kikai. Kikai, remember Kikai is both sides. That time explain it to us, please. Kikai, please.
Kikai is grant. Is it?
Dad's kisse and mom's kisse, yes.
Dad's kisa and mom's kisa.
Yes, so mom's kisse to Mafuta, to Mayamba is Makiangi, which is Kinlungu, yes?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
That Sister Candace, are you clear on this one?
It's a little
Yes,
bit
I think so.
confusing, but yes.
Yeah. Just remember, okay. Kikai is dad's kisse. We have Kikai from both sides, mom and dad. Dad's kisse, mom's kisse. Yes? Dad's kisse is Kanda, yeah? In this case, we have Makiangi is there. His Kanda is Kinlungu. Yes. Mbunga marrying Mayamba. This to you. What is Mayamba? Same question again. What is Mayamba Kikai?
Mayamba's Kikai would be
Yes.
Oh, I guess Kinungu.
Yeah, Kinlungu, yes.
It's the same Kise that Mbunga belongs to, right?
We're not sure. Mbunga, we don't know who is the dad.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No, yes. Yeah. So meaning that anyone belonging to Kinlungu can marry anyone belonging to Kisembo Yalanganga. Yes? Because this Kanda, Kisembo Yalanganga has Kinlungu as the Gikai. Yes? Is it clear? I want sister to say something. That's Sister Candace. Yes?
I have a question. Okay, so I'm sorry. I don't know. Sure.
I'm sorry. Sister Candace, go ahead. Yes.
Oh, I didn't have a question.
You understand this? Mayamba Kikai is Kinlungu. Yes? Mayamba Kanda is this one, Kinsembo Yalanganga. So Mbunga is from Kinlungu, which is Mayamba Kikai, meaning that Kikai, anyone from this clan, this Kinlungu, can marry Kinsembo Yalanganga. Yes?
Keeping it in the same, well, if I can say, keeping it in the same family.
Yes. Well, you could say that. But
because it's under the King Lungu.
Yes,
as long as they have different mothers.
Yeah.
I said as long as they have different mothers.
This is the key. Well done. Okay, we're done. Tatane, sorry, quickly. Over to you, Tatane.
This just goes back to Kise. Okay, so on the Kinkai, so it's the mother's father's Kanda, right? And the father's dad's Kanda. So in the case of Mayamba, her Kise is.
We don't know what the Mayamba Kise is not here.
Okay, we don't know. Okay, it's not clear. Okay, Mafuta is clear.
Mafuta Kise is this one.
Yeah.
Kilung.
Okay, all right.
So remember the rule of thumb: Kise, Kikai is your dad's or mom's dad. Am I correct? Yes. This is Mayamba. Mom's dad's there. Kanda, which is Kilung, it is her Kise, Kikai. So we have Kikai, people from same Kikai. Basically, this Mbunga.
But in the case of Mayamba, wouldn't Makiangi be? Okay. Never mind. I got it.
Sorry. Makiangi, remember, Mbunga is marrying Mayamba.
Yes.
But Mbunga is from the same blood as granddad of this one, yes?
Yeah, and their Kanda is what?
Kikai, sorry?
No. Njumba's Kanda is Kilungu?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Mbunga and Njumba's son, yes?
Yeah.
From Kilungu as well, yes. So basically, Kikai, this is Kikai. Kilungu, boy, Mbunga marrying granddaughter of Makiangi, yes? Okay, we're done for today. Thank you very much for your time. Nengo Tadiwa, question.
I don't have any questions.
No question. Just remember, Kikai marry Kikai, yeah? Then Mona Guta, Mona Nima, yes? Mona Vumu marry Mona Guta. Vumu, Kanda, Mona Nima from that brother's children. Yes? I know it's hard. See, they were geniuses, our forefathers, our ancestors. We are here. Where are we? It's 20th century, 21st century, yes? How do you say? 20th century, but we're struggling here. There we are. We got master, doctor, right? See, we're struggling. Anyway, we are where we are. We can't go where we are. We can't go back, yes? They did the best. That's why we need to honor them, sis. You don't find it in Roman Empire, no way. This is Congo. Okay, if there's no question, we're stopping for the time being on Louisville. Don't worry. We're stopping there. Enough is enough. If there's no question, I thank you again to Tondele, Brenda Gambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo vangabo Kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo Kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe